So here are the upgrades that I got for the truck. Like it got a little wet, but it's okay. It's exterior upgrades. This one, I will not disclose what it is just yet. But this one you can tell it's a Tyger. So if you know what it is, then you know what I'm going to be installing. But let's pull this out, open it up, and install it on a truck. The price is really good. I'm really excited about it. I think it will look pretty cool, but let's see. Let's go ahead and pull those out, open them up, and install them on the truck. Loaded these up, took them to parents' house because I thought I was going to install them there. It got too late, didn't get a chance to install them, so now I'm home again and I'm going to install them on the truck at home during the day this time, because I was going to do them during the night. So let's go ahead and unwrap them and install them on the truck and see how they look. Kids playing with the bubbles in the yard. Wow, bubbles! Matthew! Watch that, bubbles. Make some bubbles. Wow, bubbles! Alright. So here we go, got some Tyger side steps. They look pretty mean. I like how they look, pretty beefy. The metal is a lot thicker than the stock tubes that I had on there. But they look pretty good. I'm gonna install them right now. They're gonna be pretty high, so they're not gonna be sticking out too much, but they're gonna be pretty low profile and still offer the steps for my kids and wife. They look good, right? Viola, you like them? There's a Tyger on there. You like Tigers? Yeah. Cute Tyger. Matthew, look, there's a Tyger. Look. Tyger. Alright, let's get those installed. Let's see how it looks. Hi! Hey! Bubble Man. Hey, Bubble Man. Ah, Bubble Man. Wash my truck with bubbles. Bubble bath.
Bubble truck.
Bubble truck, bubble bath. Other way, run the other way. Wind is going that way. Run this way. This way, no, this way. Hey. Alright, so got the steps on. This is what it looks like. I like that they don't stick out as much as the stock tubes do, and it's still pretty high up, so they don't mount that low, but it gives you that extra step to get in. Let's see if I can give you a good shot of what it looks like. Here we go. So it's also a good rock slider as well, rock protector. So if you ever go off-road, you got the tubes on the bottom to protect the sides. It doesn't stick out that much, maybe about 3 inches past the door. It looks pretty good. It has a rugged look to it. So yeah, for I think I paid $279 or $280 something on Amazon, free shipping. I don't think you can really beat that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. On my next video, I'm going to be doing the secret upgrade in the bed. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that one coming up after this one. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll have more content coming up. See ya.